Hey guys, what's up? So, long story short, I'm back home. I'm downstairs and George is in his pack and play playing. Isn't that right, big guy? So I have a couple unboxings. I'm just gonna try to do them separately if I can. So the first one is my smaller one. It is my Morphe box that I just ordered. I only ordered a few things from there, and that is the 9M Melon Pop palette. I've been wanting to try this one just because of the colors. I thought they looked really cute. It kind of reminds me of like ColourPop. I don't know why, but it just does. Like, hi. But the colors are super pretty. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Isn't that pretty? So I'm excited. I really, look at that green one. Oh, I know. I know. So I'm really excited to give this palette a try. I got two Lippies. One is Schoolgirl and Jealousy. They look like nudie colors. Man, I'm hot. So here are the colors. I mean, they have the really cute packaging. So here, let's give them a swatchy swatch. It has the little doe foot applicator. I think this is really nice. I really like their applicators. It's like nice and smooth. So this one is called Jealousy. I know my lighting kind of sucks down here. I'm sorry. And then right underneath of that one is called Schoolgirl. I think I have like a lot of these, but it's okay. I don't care. I also got the Morphe SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Glow Stunner Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer. I've tried a lot. I feel like I've tried a lot of like tinted moisturizers. Oh, it's taped. Like I tried Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty has a really nice tinted moisturizer, but that is the swatch of that. I don't know if that's going to be quite my color. I have been tanning, so that's okay. I mean, it could be easily my winter shade. So I will... So, I don't know. I got on a call, so I don't know if it stopped or anything, but here are some of the swatches that I swatched today for this unboxing. I'm really excited to give this a try. I'm gonna try to do a try-on haul with these products and also with the products that I'll be unboxing as well. But I'm really excited to give this stuff a try. So I will, this is a really short video, I'm sorry. But I kind of want to keep it somewhat organized and like, organized and like different, since they're, I mean, it's cosmetics, but it's, Ulta and Morphe. So yeah. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye guys.